Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, I want to apologize for this video not going up on Friday. It was my birthday week and I knew better, but I'm gonna get this up as soon as possible. If you haven't checked out my other videos from this wash day series, I have a playlist, but they are also linked in the description box down below. So what I am doing right now is I'm about to rinse my deep conditioner out of my hair, but first I want to detangle because we're going to go through and update this dickey method wash and go and show you guys how I get my amazing wash and goes while in the shower. But first, let's go over a few things about these stylers. So I'm going to be using a leave-in conditioner and a styler. So you could use a spray leave-in if you would like to, a cream one. You could use a mousse as a styler, a cream as well, custard or gel. Really, it depends on what works for you and your hair. For my combo today, I am using Adwoa Beauty's Bow Mint Leave-In Conditioner and Nature's Little Secret Okra Curl Defining Gel. Now, I said before, I am redoing kind of like my dickey method video, and if you haven't seen that video, it's linked in the description box too, but let's just go over how I do my wash and goes in the shower. So you will see I am constantly putting my head underneath the running water even before I apply my leave-in conditioner, and you see like my hair, I'm literally like wringing the water out, but at the same time I'm squeezing the product in. So in my mind, this is really creating a seal of moisture within the cuticle and within my strands. And when I tell you, this method just really worked for me as a beginner doing my wash and goes, and obviously it's kind of the best method for me today. I like to make sure that the leave-in is applied from roots to tips, and what you're gonna see me do right now is kind of rinse my hands off because I am gonna go ahead and put my topper or my gel on while I'm working on this section. And what I do in between products is put my head back underneath the running water. Now, I am not trying to fully saturate my hair. I feel like it's kind of rinsing off any excess leave-in conditioner, which really helps prevent flakes. But also, it gives me another like layer for me to add moisture and really allow this styler to glide onto my strands. And you will just see, I'm gonna keep doing this throughout my entire head, but one thing that I really like to do is squeeze the product into my hair. For my type of kinks and coils, I think it really helps define my coils, and it really makes sure that my hair, like, I don't have to shingle it or finger coil because the product is there, my hair is dripping with water and weight, and my hair just comes out easier defined. I don't have to do too much manipulation when I do my wash and goes like this in the shower. What I have noticed is my wash and goes last a little bit longer when I do this method, and I think it's really because my hair is able to lock in a lot more moisture. You really should work in small sections because I just feel like that is more effective. And if you feel like you're in the shower too long, don't do your entire wash day in the shower. Maybe like shampoo and deep condition underneath the sink and just, you know, hop in the shower and do this styling portion. I know it sounds crazy, but when I tell you, this really helped me figure out my technique and like how wet I needed my hair, I'm telling you, it just really took my wash and goes to another level when I started doing them in the shower. But you do not have to do your wash and goes in the shower. I have plenty of other videos. I have a wash and go playlist. So yes, if you're looking for other tips and tricks to do your wash and goes outside of the shower, definitely check there. Now, as far as product selection, I have never used a spray leave-in to do my wash and goes in the shower. I have never used a foam. I've tried out a cream. Creams just don't give my hair the hold that I like. But listen, experiment. I'm telling you, like, try all of those things out. Come back and let me know how they worked for you. You might teach me some things, honestly, but spray leave-ins tend to be, I can't really tell when I'm applying it to my hair, especially when my hair is soaking wet like it is right now. So I try to avoid wasting product. And as far as foams, I don't know. I think that when you have too much moisture or too much water in your hair, using a foam may not be the best styler choice if you have kinky coily hair like I do. Now, if you are fine, if you have finer hair or a little less dense and you can use foams on soaking wet hair, leave those tips down below. Like, please, let's have a conversation. Any tips that you have for anyone when it comes to styling their hair, please share the wealth. This took me about 15 minutes, no longer than 20, to apply the stylers to my hair. It would actually take me about the same amount of time, if not more, if I was doing this outside of the shower. But honestly, this is the most important thing that I am about to do here, and that is shake my wash and go out. You want to get rid of the excess water, and if you'll see, like, my hair is so incredibly defined, it just really makes sure that your hair isn't too clumped together. And then once I stop, I just kind of give myself like a little side part or a middle part. Just make sure you lay your hair in the direction that you want it to be. And then I'm gonna sit underneath my hooded dryer for 15-20 minutes. I do not like walking around with wet hair anymore, and I'll show you guys my results. So this is what my hair looked like unstretched. I just sat underneath the dryer for about 30 minutes yesterday, and this is what it looked like. I slapped a bonnet on it last night, and before I got in the shower, this is what I looked like. And now, after I've stretched it and put a little hair serum on it, this is my final result. So I did not include stretching my hair in this video because I don't really feel like I know what I'm doing when it comes to stretching my hair. So I don't really want to tell you the wrong things to do, because this is freshly stretched, and in 30 minutes it'll probably shrink back up. So I really want to find techniques that work on my type of hair in order to keep my hair stretched that I like it. But I really hope this wash and go video was really informative during this wash day series. I took a look at my first like dickey method video, and I just kind of feel like I have learned a lot more things about my hair and gotten better with the technique. And I really just want this to be an inspiration to anyone who has kinky coily hair like mine and feels very frustrated with your wash and goes. It definitely takes time, it definitely takes practice, and it takes getting to know your hair. I feel like I've said that in every single video, but really it truly is a unique experience, and I'm just trying to give you some tips to help you along the way. But I love this wash and go. The combo worked so well together, even better than before, because previously when I have used that gel, it gave a super hard cast. But I think because there was so much water and moisture in my hair when I set the wash and go, that I still have the definition without that hard holding cast. So keep in mind when you are doing your hair, like, all of these things work in combination to get the results that you desire. So technique and amount of water, where you do it, how you deep condition, like, each step is really important, because I'm telling you, there have been so many times where I have used the same products but in different ways and gotten totally different results. But like I said, I really hope this was informative. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I guess my next video might be a braid out or twist out. We'll see. We got to wrap this up somehow. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next one.